It's Monita's birthday, and it's Tita's mom's birthday last Saturday. So you must take this song. One more.
One more, aside from mine, yours.
This is ballad, South Border.
Not border.
Rainbow. Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Hindi pwede.
Alright.
Hindi pwedeng duet.
May tanong ako pa dyan. Ano po? Natutulog ka ba may katabi ng manika?
Bakit? Bakit?
Kasi kung nalaman ka ng Winnie po.
Nagjo-joke pala siya.
Joke pala yun, hindi mo naman sinabi.
Si Winnie daw po daw. Alright, for the second time around, palakpakan
Saka, ano yan? Second time?
Second time.
Wala nang around kasi di ba siya umiikot?
For the second time.
Oh.
Circle. Oo, di umiikot yun. For the second time, palakpakan naman natin once again, Jaymar.
Thank you. Dedicated to our parents. Nika. Okay, adios for Nika. Happy birthday. There you go.
Palakpakan.
Just so happen I'm melting, I felt right through the glass. When you were trying to get back, so good tonight I'm out living in my best life. Nothing's gonna stop me from divine intervention. I reckon everything that happened to me is over. So that won't hesitate. No. Kung alam niyo yung kanta, just sing along. Okay? Chorus. So, may sabay natin. Ayan. Open up your eyes, see my need. Open up your hands and bring your need. I'll look into your heart and you'll find love. Listen to the music coming on, the people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's unfair to say you're to be loved. You don't have to love. Sabay-sabay. Oh, I wouldn't hesitate. No, it cannot be. I'm yours, there's no need to come. Love came out of time. It's yours, this is love. I'm yours, Bye, Jan. Salamat naman dyan.